I was just flying back. The cockpit had a fire. And I didn't know, so the first thing, the entertainment screens all went blank. And then the lights went out. I was like, something's wrong. And the plane went, right, like a crazy. And they made an announcement, we're going to land in Iceland. Right? Because I was going London to LAX, right? So I knew something was wrong. So I was like, khalas, whatever. The guy next to me started crying. So I told him everything's for a reason. God's there's purpose. He goes, I'm an atheist. He's from a Jewish household, but he was an atheist. So alhamdulillah, they landed the plane. We're in Iceland, and so I kept giving him da'wah. Alhamdulillah. Once we got back on the plane, he told me, he goes, the whole time you were so calm. Like, how can I have that? I said, become Muslim. And then he goes, well, what's a Muslim? And I started explaining, and alhamdulillah, he took his shahada. Subhanallah. Yeah, alhamdulillah. And I told him, look, this whole thing happened because of you. I'm not blaming you. I'm giving you glad tidings that Allah wanted to guide you, that Allah wrote this time for you. Crazy experience here in Iceland.
Too crazy. We're finally boarding.
But alhamdulillah, and a shahada.